Bailey, Colorado. I'm out here in the mountains of Colorado, in the lower foothills, I guess it is, and looking at this property here, solar panels. State Farm was here, agreed to replace the roof, didn't look at the inside. Come to find out, you go inside and there's water damage all over the place. Not all over the place, but there's water damage on the inside. And then you come outside and this entire fence that lines the whole entire property all the way around, is covered with hail damage. I mean, you would know that by actually checking it. I was told that the State Farm adjuster didn't actually check. And you come over here and you look at this thing here, and you look at it from like this angle, and you don't really see any damage. But then you come over to like right here, and you start to see a lot of damage. So, come up to the sun was just perfect earlier, but I don't know if you can see this, but there's all little cracks, actual cracks in the top of the glass there. And then of course all the siding is damaged with hail. And they got some of it, but they didn't get all of it. And then a couple little extra nuggets, right? So if there's any deductible problems or anything, things like this hot tub cover should do it. Because I mean, you get down and see hail damage on the hot tub cover. If you're a contractor and if you're not replacing the hot tub cover, that's just a picture that you would give to your client so that they can take it up with the adjuster. And then also, little bitty hail damage to the cover of that grill will get the grill bought. But I'm not so sure that the property owner would even want to buy a new grill. But that's an ACV check. They don't have to replace it if they don't want to. That would go straight to them. They could help with the project or for other things. Maybe this fence turns out to be non-recoverable depreciation. Maybe they depreciate half that's non-recoverable. Watch for that with fencing and other unattached structures or even attached structures. That could trip you up. And then you've got hail damage all along the deck. I mean, it's everywhere. So, you know, it's not like it's a big, huge deal. I mean, I inspected the metal building out there, didn't see anything out there. I'm gonna fly the drone now, but I found some gutter damage. I've got some solar panels up there. I'm gonna have to, you know, when you're an Xactimate writing up for detach and reset, what about the solar panel array? That's another big thing that a lot of people miss. And it's a lot of money to deal with that. And then you have, look at that flashing right there. The sidewall flashing must be replaced where rusted, damaged, or deteriorated. And of course it's damaged because it was installed with nails and therefore has holes. Not to mention I actually see direct physical damage from the hail as well. But the holes ought to do it because the building codes requires that the flashing gets replaced where rusted, damaged, and deteriorated. So out here is 2015 IRC, I believe. I'll double check that before we write the estimate, but and hail even on the birdhouse right there. Write that down. So the key is just really checking everything. So the interior's already been inspected. Every room, closet, and hallway has been cleared. And even the little shingle roof on this little shed has been documented because it has damage. Drone time. I'm out. See you in Panama City, Florida.